Namaste everyone. Today I have an interesting fact to share with you. As a dentist, I have seen it all. Cracked teeth, tight jaws, broken smiles. But what breaks my heart the most? We treat the teeth but forget the soul behind clenching. Of course, we follow all the standard treatment protocols. Night guards to protect your teeth, muscle relaxants or Botox for relief, bite correction for misalignment, TMJ physiotherapy for function, and all of these are important. I offer them myself. But here's the part we often forget. Clenching is not just mechanical. It is emotional, it is energetic, it is deeply connected to how safe you feel in your mind and body. That is why I blend spirituality into my care. Conscious breathing to calm your nervous system, daily affirmation to soften internal pressure, chakra balancing, especially your solar plexus, to restore personal power, guided journaling to release suppressed fear and control, because sometimes the jaw clenches to protect the pain you're not ready to speak about. Dear clenchers, you are not broken. You just need a night guard, but with your inner peace. Today, let's start with a simple breathing exercise. Close your eyes, inhale peace and exhale pressure. Let's treat your teeth and also your truth. Follow for more holistic healing where dentistry meets deep self connection. Namaste.